If you're bored looking at this chart, good. That means you're ahead of the crowd. You skip the boring charts, you want action. But when the boring chart explodes, you're not in the trade. Fast entries never look exciting at the start. My name is Eric Cole. I only trade when there are no major news, events, and my bot shows a green indicator. Only fundamental commodities: gold, silver, oil, natural gas, and precious metals. And only with my analytics tool that analyzes 10 plus indicators. I open the bot. Strategy, triple thrust. Asset, palladium. Time frame, 30 minutes. The bot checks the news background. Green indicator, the news background is calm. No news expected. I press conduct analysis. Majority of indicators show long. Triple thrust confirms buying pressure is accumulating. The range is compressing. The move is forming. I enter along with triple thrust. Palladium broke out higher. The boring chart delivered. Trade closed at take profit. Triple thrust sees pressure when others see nothing. That's the edge of the system. If you want to trade with a system, bot link in the description. Trading involves risk. Past results do not guarantee future performance. This is educational content, not financial advice.